Hi there guys and girls, good evening to everyone of you. Let's have some toast dinner. 6:35, 6:36 as of today. January, January, September 1, 2025. Hold on, hold on. I'll just adjust the camera, okay? That's it. Guys, you know what? I really miss this one. Crab meat fried rice. Check this out. See that? Oh, you still see the smoke? Freshly cooked. Diba? Oh, love it. Come on, be the first one to taste. Be the first one to try. And I have here a platter meal. Pancit canton and fried chicken. And with rice. Oh gosh. I am so hungry. So we're not having a late dinner. It's a dinner. I don't know what should I'm gonna do. They have here a Worcester sauce. And ketchup. Do you love ketchup? Are you sure? It's no longer a bit of pizza. Before it's... Hold on. I'll just adjust, okay? One more time. That's it. Shout out to each and every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my mother, Nico Friacordo, to my sister Christine, Helen Loreto, my childhood friend, my childhood friend. And each and every one of you, okay? Bye for now. Happy Tabita. Comment, challenge, subscribers to all my Facebook viewers. Bye for now. I forgot. So you have to taste this one. Love it. Bye.